I know Ollie's here, but I don't know if anybody else is. I got some rain on. You come down from there to eat? Huh? Yeah, we got rain. I wasn't sure if it was raining or not. Oh, there's Black Cat. That's why he's not coming down to eat. You were out there in the rain? Goodness. That's right, we're back to square one with you. You didn't like that. You didn't like that chip reader. Alright, there's food. Your waters. On this. There we go. And there he comes. Oh, he's gonna stay on the window until the Black Kitty clears out, I guess.